Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create a minimal portfolio layout in Photoshop. Start with an A4 document with the white background. Now add large name text at the top left. Insert your best design thumbnails neatly. Keep lots of white spaces between sections. Now use grid layout for perfect balance. Note small captions or project titles. Insert social media links and website below. Use paragraph styles for uniformity. Apply subtle gray tones for premium feel. Keep fonts clean, Lotto and Noto. Export both PDF and JPG versions. Review spacing before printing. Your minimal Photoshop portfolio is ready to impress clients. Thanks for watching.